Welcome back, dear friends. Inside this lecture we are going to discuss how we can download and install the core editor that we are going to use inside this course. So first of all, I'm just going to open Notepad. So there are just some core editors names, like for example, you can just say here is Sublime Text. This number 1. On number 2 we have VS Code. On number 3 we have something like Atom. On number 4 we have Notepad plus. On number 5 we have Bracket. So these are the 5 famous, or you can say popular core editor that we can work on them if you are working on HTML, on CSS, or any other programming languages, or any scripting languages, or markup language, no matter. If you are using Windows, so you can just use Sublime Text, you can just use Visual Code, you can use Atom. You can just use Atom to work on Mac or Windows, on both of them. So the same Notepad++ also, you can just use this for Mac or Windows. But inside this course we are going to use the 5th one. This is called Bracket, because we can just use this on Windows plus Mac, both of them. So this is the beauty of this this core editor. So now we are going to just download and install this core editor that is called Bracket. So very nice. Go to your core editor and simply type Bracket core editor and enter. So you can see this, the website brackets.io is the main website to download this core editor. Click on the link, and this is the latest version. Download Bracket 1.12. I think I have already downloaded this, but again I'm just going to click on this to just download this core editor. So you can see in the bottom left corner the download process is started, and the version of this is 1.12. I'm just going to cancel this because I have already downloaded this core editor. So go to just to the download folder. Inside download folder I have just Bracket 1.12 version. You can see it's here. So after the downloading, you can just double click to install this core editor. So select the destination. By default it will select the C drive. Inside it will just create a folder by name of Bracket. So if you want to just change the location, you can click on this change button. So just click next, again install, and just the admin password, and yes. So it will just take a short time. So this is the way that you can download and install the Bracket core editor on your Mac, on your Windows. So no matter which operating system you are using, this is the way of downloading and installing this core editor. And updating components registration. So this is the installation process, we all know, but let me tell you something very important about this course. Inside this course you will learn a CSS just like a professional. It means A to Z, everything you need to learn inside a CSS you can find inside this course, because I will try my best to create this course, the most and very complete course of CSS. So I will try to put everything that you need to learn inside CSS. I will try to put that inside this course. So this is just inside this video we will just learn how we can download and install, but from the next class we are going to start coding the CSS. We are going to start learning the CSS from the next class. So bracket was successfully installed. Click finish to exit. So it means you have successfully downloaded and installed the bracket code editor. So that is wonderful, you can see. And after the right clicking, you can see the option here, open as a bracket project. So we are not going to open this, but we are going to create a new folder here on the desktop. This is called CSS3 project. Inside this we are going to save all the resources for this course. So now you can just press the Windows key and simply write bracket and open this. And this is the code editor that we have installed. So just press OK, no matter. So this is the default page that the bracket they have just created, index.html. You can see it's here getting started. You can just see the preview here. You can see this icon here on the right top corner, and here is written a live preview. Just click on this to see the preview of this page. And you can see here is written getting started, the title, and here is another heading that they have given. They have just this the example that they have just created here. But from here you can see in the drop down here is written getting started. You can just click here to select your folder, open folder. We are going to on the desktop, and we have a folder here, this called CSS project folder. So you can just select folder, CSS project folder. Now go to file menu and create a new file. Insert the basic structure of HTML, doc type HTML, and Ctrl+S to save, or just go to file menu and click to save, and this is the shortcut for this. And if you are using Mac, you can use Command+S to save this inside the same folder by giving the name index.html for right now. So very easy, HTML tag start and close. Then we have the head tag. Inside the head tag we have the title tag, first web page is the title. Then we have the body tag, and you can just use Ctrl+S or Command+S to save. Now you can just see the preview from here. Click here or just go to the folder, and you can just double click to open this inside a browser. Now you can see here is written first web page. It means the title that you have inserted here, first web page, or you can say first project. Save and press F5, or you can just launch this again once again. Now this time we have here first web project that we have written here, first web project. So let me just write something in the body. Hi and welcome to my CSS course. It's just a welcome message for you all. You can just save this and press F5. So you can see here is written hi and welcome to my CSS course. It means that it is working perfectly. So this video is just going to be very lengthy. I'm going to end this video here, but you must download and install this code editor. This called bracket code editor that I have already discussed about this. But if you're already using any other correlator, so no matter, you can just use that correlator. But for coding purpose, you can just follow the same way that we are doing. So inside next class, we will come back and we will discuss about CSS syntax. Thank you. Have a nice day.